I drove an hour and 50 minutes by the GPS, but since there was so much traffic, it took me more than 2 hours to get there. My wife, my daughter, my son, we walked around Gaylord Palms Atrium, which is a nice experience. You have to pay $25 for parking to go in. This is why I say it's more of a secret restaurant, because it's not really intended for the public, but it's a nice restaurant. You have the atmosphere, you have the lighting. If you eat at night, it looks beautiful. You have the Castillo, you have the little ponds, you have the greenery, you can take a walk, you can make the entire moment, I guess you can call that, an experience. We sat there, we ate, we talked. I'm gonna eat cow because I'm not a big fish man. Thank you very much. Fries?
Yeah, that's what chips are. Fish and chips is a UK meal, and it's fried fish with French fries. They call it chips.
It says I get the shrimp and grits.
They call French fries and chips, and what do you call it?
Between that or the fish sandwich.
Fish and chips is fish and French fries.
The shrimp crab soup is delicious. I had that.
Am I going to be allowed a dessert?
Say it, Miss Medina, say it. This is my favorite.
This is my favorite place, yes.
This is your favorite hotel.
Yes, it is. So far.
What's this tartare?
What is what? Say that again. What is tartare? There wasn't a lot of people. This is about the second time I've been there. I was there with my wife a couple of months back. It was just me and her on the boat eating. We were eating lunch. One thing about the menu is that the menu is geared towards the time, and it's geared to lunch. Then you have dinner, so it only opens after 11. So don't look for breakfast there, but it is a nice place to sit. You got air conditioning, which I love. You don't have to worry about the Florida heat. You don't have to worry about burning up. It's just a nice place to sit. And I paused because the atmosphere, sitting on the boat, the resort that you're in, it can be pricey. I'm not going to tell you how much I had to pay. I can tell you I enjoyed the meal. I had a wonderful time. I tried to make some jokes with the waitress. I failed. But it's a wonderful place to eat. If you want to try something new, this is something you should try. It's called Moor, M-O-O-R. The more the merrier. It is a wonderful place to eat. Wonderful, tasty, delicious, clean food, I guess you can say. But it is geared more towards fish, seafood. I think they had prime menu on the dinner, prime rib on the dinner menu. But we were there for lunch, so we couldn't have that. If you want something new, if you want something out of the way, if you want to eat on a boat and not suffer the heat and have an experience with the atrium at the Gaylord Palms, this is a place for you.